It is difficult to imagine what life would be like without agriculture and farming. These sectors include a large range of highly diverse job roles that are essential for human life and that have a major impact on our relationship to nature, the land and sea, and our attitude towards human health and animal welfare. Given increasing public demand for animal welfare and responsible production, companies are finding innovative solutions and producing in ways that are more respectful of the environment. They are using production guidelines requiring solid skills in economic matters, including administration, consulting, and commercial strategy. Some countries cannot yet focus on responsible production and the preservation of natural resources because they lack the necessary human skills and financial means. They will consequently be recruiting staff to offer training on the ground and provide assistance to local businesses and workers in developing a solidarity-based approach to the planet. Jobs relating to the environment, agriculture, and animal rearing require a love of nature and great respect for plants, wildlife, and biodiversity.